Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a gorgeous frame off restored 69 Pontiac GTO. Ram Air 4 replacement block, Wilwood power 4-wheel disc brakes, Billet serpentine system, AC, power steering, power windows, 4-speed automatic, Dakota Digital gauges, tilt wheel. Just one heck of a car. Just a gorgeous car. Ron Davis here, Racing Products, 4-core aluminum radiator. Just a heck of a car. It's dark blue paint, just to die for. Wilwood drilled and slotted front disc brakes, drilled and slotted rear brakes. Just a heck of a car. Triple coated chrome rear bumper on it. Very nice car. Couple little scratches right there, imperfections on the spoiler. Glass back. The well is fantastic. Top is fantastic. Just a super nice car. Got a tiny chip there. Another tiny chip there. Little bitty one there. Again, we got the correct paint. These will be touched up. But just want to show and point out the flaws on the vehicle. All cars have flaw. This one has a few minute ones, but we're going to point them out. So you know what you're getting. All the body lines, gaps, cars laser straight. Paint is phenomenal. We have not even run a buffer or waxed it or anything. This is how we got it. We will go over it with the wool pad, the foam pad, and make it shinier than it is. Again, it has the hideaway headlights. Our typical few little rock chips. And there was, you can barely see a little hairline crack there. Not super noticeable, but it is there. Again, we just got the car in, trying to get some pictures. And even though it's sunny out right now, rain is coming. Again, there'll be about 100 pictures detailed, top to bottom, front to back, engine compartment, trunk, interior. www.westportautocenter.com. If you want to fly in, check out the vehicle or any other vehicles in any 3 of our warehouses, forward us your flight itinerary. We'd be more than happy to pick you up. Just a top-notch restoration. Oyster white interior, power windows. We just flipped the boot down, so that's the boot. We didn't put it in the well. You got all your seat belts, trunk release, transmission with overdrive, that control in the trunk, our glove box, frame on the convertible tops, fantastic, satin black. Love the spoiler. Just a solid car. Gorgeous paint. Gorgeous paint. Billet specialty wheels. Dakota Digital gauges, little upgraded gauges. We'll take this one for a spin. slight acceleration and chirps the wheels, no problem. I love a GTO. And this car is dialed in. Super cool car. Yes. AC, four-wheel disc brakes, steering. Call and talk to somebody on the phone. Call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Happy to answer any questions you have. If you're watching this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Help us grow. Facebook, Instagram,